What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing mirrored closet doors right over here. A couple things you're going to need in this project. Here we go. This one looks like it's the one right here. So watch this. Oh, my cart's that quick. According to this, there's a pencil, hammer, tape measure, drill with 3 30-second bits, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and the hacksaw. I'd recommend to wear your safety glasses too. I think I'm going to get lot cleaner and touch my Dremel, but if you don't have a Dremel, you can substitute it with the hacksaw. So what you're going to do first is take the top and the bottom measurement is, whatever that number is, you're going to deduct a 1/16 of an inch, and you're going to cut these down to that measurement. All 3 of them. Okay? Let's see if it fits. First of all, maybe yeah, perfect. I don't even have to cut it. Okay, so the next step is attach the fascia track Alright, so you don't even need a hammer, so just slide it in, okay? Alright, done. Alright? Alright. An electric screwdriver works better. Once you secure it with 2 screws, then you don't need any more hands. Then just repeat the process for all the rest of these holes here up top. I think I got all of them. Alright. So now, the bottom one, you need to do 1 1/8 on both sides. That's 1 1/8 and 1 1/8. Alright, so you got to install the rear door first. Corey, this has to be about a 15-degree angle. That's it. Back that one in, and then you do the front. Oh. Sure. That was easy. The 15 degrees. The key here, guys, with the rear door first and then the front door afterwards. You pop them in, and then you're going to use these as adjustments to lower the door and up and down. That way you make sure it's plumb with this. If there's a little gap here that's too much, you want to lower that screw so that you know if that gap is not flush, you're going to crack your window because you're going to get all the force on the bottom versus the top. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Let me adjust it now. And then peel off these little pads. There you go. One there. And one on the bottom. Alright, my friends. So that is the installation of your mirrored closet doors. Alright. That's it. A couple of takeaways from this installation, guys, is you want to put the back door first and then the front door. You got to put them at about a 15-degree angle facing out to pop them in. And then if it's uneven this way or this way, you got to adjust those screws up on the top corners so it'll slide a little bit easier. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up if this helps and subscribe to my channel. I got many more of these how-tos that'll save you time and money. Peace out.